In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily create pool balloon decor water weights. Also be sure to watch the other tutorials in our pool balloon decor series. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to double stuff. And this is an 11. You can use 11 inch or 12 inch. You could even use a 16 inch if that's all you have. So I'm going to double stuff this, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the faucet. And you're going to fill this to the balloon is approximately about 6 inches or so. So I go ahead and you hold the nozzle so the pressure does not make this release, okay? And then what I do is I put my hand under it and I just let it fill. So when it fills my hand completely, I know it's done. Okay, so that's still too little. It needs to be bigger. I'm still holding on to the nozzle. Okay, so my hand is just pretty full. So what I'm going to do is turn it off. Keep my hand here. I'm going to pinch it. And then I'm going to release it there. Then I'm going to take that inside nozzle. And I'm going to wrap it around the balloon and tie it off. Okay. Then obviously you're going to want to dry your balloon off. And you're going to use this nozzle to tie to the bottom of your balloon piece. Or if you don't want to do that and you have difficulty, then you'll tie a flattened 260 right underneath this knot. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you didn't see the pool balloon decor series videos, please go ahead and watch those. We'll tag them here somewhere in the tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, y'all.